So, what do I think about the R.A. Williams IPO? I'm Kalila Reynolds, founder and CEO of Money Media, Money Made Simple. R.A. Williams is a family-owned company that distributes pharmaceuticals to pharmacies, hospitals, and doctors. They were founded in Spanish Town, Jamaica in 2012, but have since expanded island-wide. They're now seeking to raise 400 million Jamaican dollars through its initial public offer, IPO. So what do they want the money for? According to CEO Audley Reed, they want to aggressively pay down debt and become more profitable, which would benefit shareholders like you if you choose to invest.
Because it means less interest payments. It means less cash leaving the business. So we're able to hold more of that cash and build our cash reserves. It also will impact the profitability of the company ultimately. And that means, better returns for investors.
The vast majority of the funds will be used to pay off debt, but the company has also been growing rapidly, hitting 1.4 billion Jamaican dollars in revenue in 2023 after just 12 years in business. That's almost $9 million US, up 41% from the year before. Net profit also grew to 98 million JMD, over 600,000 US, and Audley says they want to ramp it up even more.
We're trying to prepare the company for what we are seeing lies ahead, which is we're about to accelerate the growth of the company.
Now, if Audley looks young, it's because he is. He co-founded the company with his mom and sister when he was still in university at UTech. All three of them are pharmacists, which they believe gives them an edge in the industry, especially against giants like Caramed, Lasco, and Facey Commodities. R.A. Williams also has exclusive distribution agreements with drug manufacturers in India and Bangladesh. Additionally, they have contracts to supply the National Health Fund, NHF. But with so much competition, where is the growth potential?
In May of this year, we signed agreements with Forts, an exclusive contract with Forts out of India. They are expected to introduce somewhere between 6 and 11. I can't remember the exact figure, but I know for sure within this month we're expected at least 2 of those very fast-moving products to arrive in the island. So those we'll see the revenues of those starting to impact the company going forward. And we also signed an agreement with Rivis Pharma out of Ontario, Canada.
So is R.A. Williams a good investment for you? Well, they've demonstrated the ability to grow rapidly, secure exclusive deals and contracts, and their leaders are experts in pharmaceuticals, but there is a lot of competition. If you're interested in this sector, you may want to look at the performance of other local stocks in the industry, such as Indus Pharma, Lasco Distributors, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and more recently Image Plus, to give you an idea of how these types of stocks perform. Also, we've been hearing talks of a Caramed IPO for some time now. And if you want to learn more about the potential of medical companies, check out our discussion on taking stock with analyst Julian Morrison. The share price for R.A. Williams is $1 Jamaican each. 210 million shares are available to the public, and 190 million are reserved for employees, directors, and key partners. The offer opened on July 17, and the scheduled close date is July 31. But by the time this video comes out, it will probably be closed already. However, you could still potentially buy after it lists on the Junior Stock Exchange in a couple of weeks. And that's the bottom line. Remember, this is not intended as investment advice. Please consult your licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But let me know, what do you think of the R.A. Williams IPO? Is it a potentially good investment? Let me know in the comments. Go to investingforbeginnersja.com. The link is up here and in the description. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.